Hi everyone, hope all good. This time it is the window wiper fluid motor, I guess, that's broken. When I tried to get some liquid to come out of my window wipers, I can't even hear the engine. So normally you hear this little bzz bzz, but there's nothing. So I guess either a fuse or maybe the actual motor itself has gone. So what I've done is I've ordered a new motor, the little window wiper fluid motor, and they're only, you know, $8 to $10 or £8 online. So I thought I'll better get one just in case. So I had one of those. So I will start with checking the fuses. If it's not one of the fuses, then I will replace the actual motor itself. So we'll have a look at that. So I will use a normal kind of toolbox. So I don't think I need any fancy tools to do this. First I'm going to take this off. I think let's just pull straight up maybe. Oh, that's not good. Put it back in here. So I guess we don't mind if it goes all out. So it's going to go this way anyway. And then I'm going to do 2 screws. And these are those 2 screws here. 1, 2, and I'll have to take them from the inside. So as you can see, they now work. I get some window wiper fluid coming out, which is great. It wasn't the fuse, it was this pump, which is $10 or £8. So as you saw, I just slid it out of the container, the side, unplugged it, unplugged the hose, put the new one in, and put it back together in reverse order, and it's working. So a good result. Hope you liked the video, and I hope it helps you if you have a similar problem. Take care, bye.